Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the MailerSend app within your sub account, connect the workflow to your platform and start executing actions. Let's get started. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app. You search MailerSend, there you go, we click on it, we go at install, allow and install. As you notice, there is a token required in order to get the installation going. But before we go any further though, if you notice there is a small queue here. If you click on it, it will show you how to get it. But let's switch to our platform and do it together. We're inside MailerSend. How do we get a token? We just have to come here at the integrations. We click on it and then API tokens. We go at manage. We create a new token. Let's say iToken and create token. There you go. Now copy. We make sure it's copied. Then we switch back, paste. We continue and we have success. It means the workflow is already connected and we can start taking actions directly from the workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team also available 24/7 to answer to other questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.